Hey everybody, how's it going? I'm going to try to simplify our lesson this week. So as you can see, I'm just going to go to the website. Let's say I'm a third grader. Click on third grade, and our lesson will be simpler. You'll see you'll have the slideshow here. In the slideshow, I'm going to go through it. It's a lesson 9, exploring the 7 basic locomotion movements of sports, or locomotor, you'll see. It's English, I think. What are we learning? The 7 basic locomotor movements of sports. Think about them. Think about things we've done. Skip, jump, hop, run. To become physically literate, this is why, and to master specific skills that will help my coordination, balance, and remember physical literacy. We talked about the last week, so confidence in what you're doing too. Okay, how will I know? I can name the 7 basic movements. Think about them. I can perform all 7 basic movements. Some of you it'll be easy. Some you'll need to work on the things you struggle with. I can explain why it's important to master the 7 basic movements. And I've already alluded to that about confidence, coordination, physically literate. Okay, now here are the different videos. So these are going to be the 7 basic movements.
What's going?
Okay, and then we got this little workout. It's a fun thing. It'll be using the 7 basic workouts, so that's the fun part of it. And then remember, is your workout doing these things for you? Remember these 4 parts. Okay, and then we go back to the learning targets. And this is something that you'll be able to go back and see. How are you going to learn? Now, when you're done, you're going to fill out this form. When you're done with this form, you will submit it. It'll go both to your teacher and to me, so you do not have to email anymore. So I'm hoping this is easier. I will try to embed this video in the beginning of this PowerPoint. So I hope this works out for you. If you have any questions, email your teacher, of course. But now you do not have to email. You just have to fill out this form for your grade and submit it. All right? Good luck, and I hope this works much easier. Remember, be physically literate. We talked about health and physical literacy. These are the movements that will help you become physically literate. These are those basic foundation building blocks. All right. Take care.